It is that time of year when we hit up the thrift stores for Christmas shopping. I am sharing a THRIFT-MAS thrifting with me video and haul of some things I have found for the Christmas season to gift and share with others. So come along and join me today. Well, today we are doing some Christmas thrifting. So I went to a really fun thrift store that had some great deals, and I am doing a THRIFT-MAS. Things I found for gifts, maybe a little decor, but on a budget, of course, because thrifting is a great way to find gifts that you can re-gift and find home decor. So most of my home is already decorated for the season, but I did share affordable Christmas decorating video last week that you can watch, where I just used lots of things I've had on hand in reusing items. But reusing items that other people have gotten rid of is a great way to decorate and to gift. So let's go thrifting first, and then I will share my haul with you. At this first shop, it is our local thrift and antique store. So prices are not thrift store prices, but they're also not antique store prices, so it's in the middle. But I love looking for cute things, along with my kids they came with, to find to gift to other people or to use as decor. Doilies are always so cute to put in a basket, put on a table, add to just a nice centerpiece. And then always looking at beautiful decor pieces for inspiration or even just to gift. And you'll see that, yes, I did pick up these kitchen tea towels. Little ornaments would be a great gift to give for that bird lover in your life, or just find different ornaments. And these DIY stockings, they looked homemade almost, are really adorable. And then just finding things, even if they're from another store, but you find them somewhere that you could put in a gift basket, a thrifted gift basket, and with some new and some old, that's always a great way to gift. And to just say, I'm thinking of you with different pieces. So the second thrift store had lots of items to look at, and there were books and books galore. Finding a good book to give to someone you know, who you might know their style, is a great option. And mugs, they're always so prevalent. Pick up a Christmas mug, fill it with a hot cocoa mix, some marshmallows, and you have a good DIY gift, or a gift card to a coffee shop in a thrifted mug. Thrift stores always have lots of ornaments, so definitely check out a thrift store if you still need to decorate your tree. And then little nativity sets, little baskets, just all little things that you can use to gift, to throw in with another item in a gift basket, or to decorate for your own home. And then just finding pieces that are new at thrift stores are always fun as well, like this little snowman jar. And other containers, again, to be able to gift items in. I don't buy everything always secondhand to gift, but it is fun to find pieces that you can get secondhand that are in pretty good condition to be able to share with others. Funny thing, I actually have these plates myself, but they are brighter in color, so those winter scenes are cute to decorate with in a home. Kids books. Kids wear out books, and books are expensive new, so definitely pick up a few from a thrift store along with puzzles or games. I definitely looked at a few of these, and they had a nice selection, and you'll see I did pick one or two up as well. So just do that thrifting, find some items that you would like for gifting. So as a mom of four and friends and family and lots of people to get gifts for, I like to shop secondhand. I think it's a great way to stay on a budget, to find affordable gifts. And I am also going to be sharing a DIY gift ideas video coming up in a couple weeks as well. But there's just many things you can find at thrift stores that are really good quality, that work well to just throw into a gift for your pastor or for a neighbor, or find things for your children. So let's just jump right in. Oh, I do have a few things I did find for myself as well for the winter season. So these two pieces are great for gifting. So I often do little gift baskets for neighbors and our pastor and friends, where I will put some tissue paper in here, put a DIY candle in there, some treats, some gift card or some socks, and just fun way to use a little gift and to have a little gift in, I should say, is with something cute to contain it, not just a gift bag. Those are great, but it's fun because then they could use this next year for their Christmas decor or re-gift it to someone else. And for this basket, it was $1. Cute little wicker basket that I could throw fruit in, or gift card, things like that. A kitchen towel with a little snowman and the tree and the snowflake. Another little container that you can put cookies in, or just a small little gift, would be a little gift box. This was 50 cents and cute little gift box to have. And I just like, again, having a cute or beautiful or functional piece to give to friends and family and neighbors, because then they can reuse it the following year or re-gift it to someone else afterwards. So it says, "Take joy," with a little snowman on it. And I did mention kitchen towels. So kitchen towels are a great thing, I think, to throw in for a neighbor. These two, I guess, were found at our local thrift antique shop for $3 a piece. They're green and tan and black checkered, so cute. I feel like I should keep them for myself because I really like the look of these for Christmas. And throw these in a basket, hang it over like this, and you got a cute little gift basket with other stuff in it and something practical. So $3 for each of those towels. This piece, since it has a tag on it, I thought would be a really fun gift. I have a particular friend in mine who likes rustic, western, country kind of decor, and it lights up, so it'd be really fun to gift to them for their family. It was $4. So it's just got like that fake snow, little snowman, a little fake light in there. Just a darling little piece that I will put in a gift basket for a friend for Christmas time. And two little snowmen, looks like hugging or singing or something like that. But just really a cute little piece to share for Christmas. And I do like it has this little on-off switch like this, which makes it so much easier for function and practicality. So this was $4. I looked in the book section because for some of my closer mom friends, I thought maybe a little devotional or a book that I found interesting would be fun to pick up. And I have not read any of these, but I found 3 books. One is a 5 Meaningful Minutes a Day devotional by Charles Swindoll. So I thought I could give that to one of our families that we gift to, or pastor, or a friend in one of their baskets. And then Moments of Peace for Moms. It's from Our Daily Bread, and that's a devotional. I actually grew up reading that with my parents. So this would be a great one for a mom friend to throw in their gift baskets with some of my DIY gifts that I will be making. And then this one is by David Jeremiah, My Heart's Desire. So just 3 books. I think it was 3 hardcover books for $2. So these are all hardcover, so that would have been the price for those 3 books. And then in the line of books, I do like to give books to my kids for Christmas. We don't do a lot for our kids. We do like that something to read, something to wear, and I can't remember that third one, something they need. So books are great. So I'll just run through the kids' books here that I found. And since we have friends who do have kids as well, I will put some of these in their gift baskets. So the first one is The Tale of Benjamin Money by Beatrice Potter. That's a hardcover. I want to say for the kids' books, it was 50 cents a piece or 3 for $1. So this is The Tale of Benjamin Money. then the Pine Tree Parable, and then an Usborne Nativity Flat Book, Snowman Magic. So I do like to get some new Christmas books for my kids each season, and I'm not gonna buy brand new. Why not get them thrifted if you can find them? The Night Before Christmas. We don't do Santa in our house, but we just talk about what St. Nicholas really was, or who he really was, and we do read a couple Christmas books with Santa in them and just explain what the story is behind him. I got another few ones for my reader who is starting to read. A couple of these like beginner level reading books. And then The Littlest Christmas Tree. So some of these books, even that The Night Before Christmas, might go in a gift basket to a friend. But kids' books are great for gifting, especially secondhand. It's not worth buying an $8, $10 book when you can get them 3 for $1. Then I like to find games that are intact or activities for kids or families with kids. And I got this Build a Robot puzzle and spinner game. It's $3. I thought my oldest 2 might enjoy doing that, or a friend who has a crafty kid who likes being creative would enjoy this in their gift basket. So I do need to check to make sure all the pieces are there. That's the hard part about buying secondhand. You're not sure if all the stuff is in there, but if you only spend $3 and it's missing a few pieces, it's not as big of a deal. Another idea for gifting is to send or gift family pictures. So I found a couple frames, and we had our family pictures professionally taken this year. First time in our 11 years of being married that we've had professional pictures. So grandparents, I will gift them some pictures for Christmas in a couple cute frames. So this one was 50 cents and this one was $1. So you can see it was from the Dollar General for $2 originally, so it was just half that price. But I already have my pictures ordered from Walmart. Walmart's a great place to order pictures from. They're pretty quick too. They do like the 1 hour print, although we live 40 minutes away, so I don't get them in that 1 hour time. But anyways, it's a great place and affordable to print pictures, and then you can just pop them in the photo album and put a bow on it, wrap it up, and you have a memorable gift to give to a grandparent, a family member. Put it in your kids' stockings that they would enjoy putting on their dresser, something of that nature. This I ran into at an antique store. It is a corduroy blanket and it was $10, so it's a little bit more, but I thought this would be really cute as a throw for a friend who, again, likes that country western kind of look to have on their couch. It's actually probably would be a really great outdoor blanket. It's not huge, but it's just really adorable with that maroonish checkered tan print and then the corduroy blue on the back. So that will be a fun gift to give. I like finding blankets as well, or pillow covers, kitchen towels, like I said. Wash them up and then you can gift them as well. So this was $10, so a little bit more than what you might find at a thrift store, but it's in such good quality and it looks like someone made it with the hand stitching around the edge. All right, then I did find a couple clothing pieces. I did find a winter coat for my oldest daughter because she did not have a winter coat, and that was all clothing at this thrift store was $1 on the day I went. And then I found this cute little pea coat for my oldest that I'm gonna wrap up for Christmas for her that will just look darling on her. And I think this was also $1 a coat. It is George brand. So it's got like the little cinched waist with the black buttons. I don't think it has any pockets, but it's got like the little pleating. So it's like knee-length black coat, little pea coat. So that will be really cute for her for Christmas time. Then of course, I could not pass up an ugly Christmas sweater. It's really not that ugly, but it is kind of cute. It says ho 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 with Santa on it. and a little bell, of course. So this is something we used to take pictures once a year as a family in ugly Christmas sweaters, and that was our Christmas card. This year we did our professional pictures, like I said, but I think we'll still have to dress up and do our fun sweater picture for just to have as a memory. So fun little sweater for $1. Then I found another sweater, probably for myself, honestly, because I don't know if I could see one of my sisters or a friend who I'd gift to wear this. It was the Anita brand, and it says made in Italy, so it is wool. And that's another cool thing about thrifting, is you can find some high quality pieces that are made well and not just from all the synthetic materials that they use anymore. So this was made in Italy in a wool sweater. It has black and white little diamond print on it, and it's a gray sweater, so that'll be really cozy for the winter months. Last clothing piece is this Columbia little zip sweater that's got some tan on the end there. It's like a army green, little pocket. This I could see gifting to a sister, and they would really enjoy this. So fun clothing pieces to be found, but not a whole lot of clothing because I was on the mindset of gifting. So that is what I found for this Thrift-MAS, and this time out I will be hitting up more thrift stores, maybe not sharing them here, but if you can get out and shop secondhand, you will save lots of money by doing so. Still find great things that people will enjoy and love getting. And if they don't, then you're not out a whole lot either because you found it secondhand. So I hope you enjoyed watching today. Make sure to subscribe so you can see all my upcoming Christmas videos, because I'll be doing my Christmas home tour, my DIY gifts and gift baskets, which will have some of these items in it, and of course just more Christmas homemaking motherhood content, and then things coming in the new year, which is hard to believe. So have a great and wonderful day, friends, and I will talk with you in the next video.